Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on a website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today I will be showing you the Access Driver's Ed Scheduling Database template. What you will need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. So just go ahead and hit extract all. Alright, and now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. Okay, and this is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that it is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful for your computer to open, but I can assure you that this database is safe. Alright, so this is the driver's ed scheduling database. To start, we'll do add new student. Okay, so we'll do John Smith, and we'll do an email, test@test.com, and then we'll do an address line. Alright, and as you can see, you can also add a major if you want to. You can add freshman, junior, senior, or sophomore. You can also add notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history, as well as a picture of the student if you need to, and phone numbers as well. But that's all I'm going to do for now, just for the sake of the demonstration. So I'll just hit save and close. Alright, so now that student should be in the database. To search for them, just click Search Students. Okay, and we're going to search by his last name. This is all sorts of different criteria that you can search by. But yeah, like I said, we'll just do the last name for now, and then hit search. Okay, and there's our student we just created. So from here you can double click it, and you can view the student on the student form, and you can edit any of this information that you want to, or delete it. But I'm just going to just hit cancel for now. And you can also export the search results to Excel. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. Alright, so it just pulled all that information into a new workbook for you. Okay, and next thing we're going to do is add an appointment. Okay, so this is the calendar, and to add an appointment, just double click on any time slot. So if they want to do a driving test at noon, just double click here, and then hit student, John Smith, instructor, teacher 1, type, doesn't matter, we'll just do individual, and vehicle, let's do car 1. And all of this drop down information here can be changed, and I'll show you how to do that later. But you can also add notes for the appointment, so well, it doesn't matter, so I'll just do that. And you can change the starting time and end time if you want to right here. You can add more workers or teachers if you need to, and payment information. That's probably not real necessary, but you never know. Okay, so next we'll do select custom color, and we'll make this blue. So if you have a lot of appointments back to back and you make this blue for the appointment and then hit save and close, it'll show up blue on the calendar. So if you select different colors for each appointment, it'll be really easy to tell when one appointment ends and another one begins. So it's just nice for organizational aspect. You can also view the calendar by the weekly view or bi-weekly view, month, and month day. Okay, and you can also search the database just by a certain teacher if you want. So if you just want teacher 1 and show all of the appointments for teacher 1, that's what it's going to happen. So there you go, June 7th. And if we do teacher 2, that one should disappear because we don't have any appointments for teacher 2. So there you go. And the next thing we're going to do is search for that appointment in the database. You can search by all these criteria up top. You can search by vehicle, instructor, and so on. Let's do instructor teacher 1 and just hit run search, and this will be all of the appointments for just teacher 1. And from here you can double click this if you want to view that appointment in the calendar again. Or you can also view it in the appointment form, okay, and then double click it, and there we go, it'll view it in the appointment form. Okay, and with all of these search results, you can click export to Excel or Outlook Calendar or Outlook Task. You can also do a print detailed version or a print summary version. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. So it just shows up 2 lines for each appointment, and then a print summary just shows 1 line for the appointment. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to the search function. Real easy to use. It's a good tool. Alright, next thing we'll take a look at is maintenance lookups. Alright, and okay, so in the appointment form we saw instructors, let's see, vehicle, and service type. For now we'll just do vehicle. We'll change this. So vehicle 3 will change to Ford, and we can also add vehicles if we want to. And let's do Nissan. Okay, and then just hit close. It'll save automatically, so don't worry about that. Alright, and just to show you that it did change, we'll double click and add another appointment. Vehicle. So car 3 changed to Ford, and the last one we added was Nissan. So perfect. Alright, and then the next thing we'll do is take a look at calendar setup. So here's where you can change all the parameters of the calendar, such as first day of the week. You can change that to whatever day you want. Another thing, it would be start time. You can change that of each day. So there you go. And then you can also change calendar colors just by hitting these color palettes over here. So button color, button font color, yeah, and so on. Alright, and last thing we'll take a look at is the reports. And the date start, we'll just do the 1st of the month, and then the date end, let's do 2 weeks from then, so the 15th. And we can print invoices for that time period. Okay, so the invoice amount was $50, and all this other information in here too. And you can also print accounts receivable or a cash ledger. Alright, so that's about it for this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.